Hey guys, so today we have the Horizon Hobby Sport Cub S2. This is the first plane on the channel. Haven't flown it yet, barely have even looked at it, haven't taken it out of the box. Skill level 1, completely ready to fly, comes with everything you need. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So here's what you get inside. So you get the plane completely assembled. You have your transmitter here, your charger. It comes with one battery, but we went ahead and picked up another one for extra flight time. It comes with 4 AA's for the transmitter, and then it comes with assembly gear. So here's your transmitter. You have your elevation control or throttle control. Here's your steering and all your trims, on and off switch. Here's your panic switch. So if you're like upside down or like you're in a nosedive, you press this and it'll autocorrect it. Beginner, intermediate, so like it's only gonna bank a certain amount, and then advanced to where you have full control over it. It flies well though, I mean. That's what's running. Hard in the wind.
You can try to land it, yeah.
Yeah, I kind of just gave it like 0 to
With rudder?
Yeah, it's pretty easy to control actually. This is the first time like I've ever really flown a plane. Like I flew the Mini Aero Scout once, and I don't think it has smart technology in it, and this one does, and it's really easy to fly. just in the beginner mode right now. About 50% throttle.
Is it fun?
Yeah, it's really fun. This is great for anyone who's like never really flown a plane before. Very easy to fly. Plenty of power. I think the battery's low. I think it's supposed to like repeatedly beep. I don't know.
Hear how it's sputtering?
Yeah, it's dead. Okay, so we're gonna put another battery in. So the other one lasted about like 8 minutes, I think. This one should have last about like 5, because it's a little smaller. This is 150 milliamp. The other one was 200 milliamps. Yeah, so guys, when we plugged in the second battery, it did not work. I don't know what was wrong. The plane's fine, but the battery just was not working. So stay tuned for another video. We'll eventually get another battery. We'll run it for you guys again. If you like planes on our channel, drop a like, and we'll see you in the next one.